Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite DIY masks, a Coffe Face Mask that instantly brightens your skin and gives it a natural glow. Let's get started. In a clean bowl, add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix everything really well until you get a smooth paste. Coffee helps remove dead skin and gives instant brightness. Honey deeply moisturizes and makes your skin soft and glowing. It helps lighten dull areas and gives a smooth texture. Now apply this mask evenly on your clean face using a brush or your fingers. Make sure to cover your cheeks, forehead, and neck too. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. Once it's dry, rinse it off with lukewarm water using circular motions to scrub gently. Pat dry your skin with a soft towel, and look at that glow. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. It helps remove dullness, tan, and gives your skin a fresh, bright look instantly. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy skincare tips.